Friday. It's a new day, which means it's a new daily vlog, you guys. Happy Friday. It's Friday. Excuse me, it's Friday. I'm on my way to work, as you guys can see. I'm for y'all like, damn, I always see her in this dang on uniform. Well, guess what? I's a working woman and I gotta work. So work. Okay, so we are down. Right? We are down. We're counting down the days till I have my days off. I wouldn't even been taking them days off, but because I'm going with my husband to Jersey, which I'm super excited about, I'm taking those days off. But I have another week. What? 1, 2, 5, 7. How many more days I got till I'm off? So I'll see. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 12 more days until I have a day off. Okay, and then after that I have 5 days off. I mean, I do need it, but I'm trying to make sure I take care of some things because I really want to make sure that we have stuff situated before next year, because of course we're trying to move and I don't want to renew the lease where I'm at. But anyway, referring to that, y'all, so we was my husband decided to cook on the grill when we got back from Texas the day after, right? Because it was Memorial Day. One of them days. But anyway, cook on the grill. Then a couple of days later, we get a notice from the rent office saying that, you know, hey, we can't cook on grills. Water. So I'm thinking, you know, like, hey, it's like a warning or something. Which I didn't know that we couldn't cook directly. It wasn't directly in front of the door, but it was, you know, where the grass is, whatever. So they charged me when we went to go pay rent yesterday, and why they had $100 charge, an extra $100 on there for damages. So I had to call her and ask her what was that for, and she said it was because we grilled, and someone told her that we were grilling. Y'all know what? This is why I am so tired of living in an apartment complex. Like, I would really have to get used to living in a house, but I would prefer a house just so I can have the privacy I want to do whatever I want. Whatever. Like, it's just annoying that, you know, we have so many rules that you can't do in an apartment complex. Like, I get it, but it was nowhere near the door. It was nowhere near. It was far out. Like, we're not stupid enough to grill right in front of the door. Like, people just be. Anyway, this is why I'm working to get my credit together. Yes, it's no secret. I need to get my credit together, y'all. I gotta get my credit together. And we need to move, like, out of the city, because that's the plan. That's the goal. The goal is to move out of Columbia. And we tried last year, and listen, one thing I've learned, you have to prepare in advance. Trying to move to a different state, finding a new job and all that, which he's gonna transfer him. I mean, he's pretty much, we're trying to move closer to his job. He already transferred his job from Jersey.